Winning William Sebastian kasi sabi ng mami niya, wala pa daw siyang friend na may ganong name. So we find it unique. Nothing extraordinary but something na we're fond of na gusto namin dalawa yung name na yun to give it to you, Liam.
Si Seb, usually serious talaga siya. Pero mapapatawa mo din siya. Ano din siya, madaling patawanin. Lalo na ng kuya Aiden niya. So, tuwang-tuwa siya sa kuya niya. Tapos parang very brave boy siya. And very strong yung personality niya.
Like when I close my eyes and don't even care if anyone sees me dance. Like I can fly and I don't even think of touching the ground.
Si Seb, actually, we pray to God na gusto ko kasi unique sila to each other na magkuya. Even sa face, hindi sila magkamukha sa kuya niya. Sa behavior, is quite different, more serious, but madaling patawarin pag pinaglalaro ng kuya. Pero siya yung mas serious, yung kuya niya kasi mas smiling face, friendly, but they complement each other. Saka mas mas maaga siyang nag-walk, then mas mas strong and brave boy siya.
Like a young drunk you sad, like making big mistakes. I feel like for the first time in a long time I am not afraid. I feel like a kid. Never thought it'd feel like this.
Seb, happy first birthday. Salamat sa Diyos kasi binigay ka niya sa amin. We pray na maging malapit ka sa Panginoon sa paglaki mo at maging mabuting anak ka namin at anak ni Lord.
Like an open page, like a one-way trip on an aeroplane. It's the way that I feel when I'm with you.
This celebration, even you're not fully aware of, but it's a celebration of thanksgiving to God for His faithfulness to us, for all His blessings. For Him giving you to us as our bunso. We thank the Lord for everything. And we pray to God na lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos at bigyan din kami ng wisdom how we will guide you as you grow up. We love you so much, Mommy, Kuya, and me. We love you very much.
Like when I close my eyes and don't even care if anyone sees me dancing. Like I can fly and I don't even think of touching the ground. Yeah, like a heartbeat skip, like an open page, like a one-way trip on an aeroplane. It's the way that I feel when I'm with you. Brand new.
Happy birthday, Seth. We love you.